EBSCO databases and Google Drive, managing your research. This video features an overview of how to use Google Drive with EBSCO databases to help manage research. It will present information for connecting an active Google account to EBSCO and the steps needed to provide permission for EBSCO to manage a folder placed in Google Drive. Set your browser to allow pop-up windows. This is needed to ensure you're able to connect your account to EBSCO. Consider creating a Google account dedicated to your research. It will help to keep things organized. The AU Library website is available from the main Ashland University site following the Life at AU pathway. Go there directly or access the page from ashland.edu/library. We will start using the OneSearch box. Enter your search term. Leave the preset limiters in place, or select options that are suited for your search. Select Search. If you're working from off campus, you'll need to authenticate. Enter your AU username and password. This is the same login you would use for Blackboard and AU email. Log in to continue. From your search result list, identify an article or an abstract to save. The item can be HTML full text or PDF full text. We're going to save Cultivating Critical Thinking. Select to view the article. Locate the Tools menu and select Google Drive. You will be prompted to sign in with your Google account to continue. You may use your AU Google account or a personal one. Enter your credentials and your password. Google will ask you to verify the connection with EBSCO. View the details that are presented concerning connecting your account. Keep in mind authorization is required to continue. Select Allow and sign in. When authorization is complete, notification will display indicating your article has been saved to Google Drive. Click OK to continue. To view your saved item, go to your Google account and open Drive. A folder named EBSCO has been created. Saved items will be available here. If given a choice, save the PDF version of full-text articles. If HTML full text is the only option to save, it will arrive in Google Drive as well. For instance, further down in the results list, Breaking the Code is available in HTML full text. Select the article, locate Google Drive with Tools, and the document has been saved. Return to Drive, open the EBSCO folder, and view the item. Note that when reviewing it in Drive, the initial view is coded with HTML. Open it with Google Drive, and it will then be readable with an article permalink included. If article full text is not available, it's still a good idea to save article bibliographic information in Google Drive. Why? You'll have details needed to submit for interlibrary loan, you'll have a record of the item even if available in another database, and you will have the subject descriptors and most likely the abstract to use at a later date. For instance, Combining Critical Reflection is available in full text from OhioLink, but we can download the abstract here. Choose Google Drive. Your item has been saved. Return to Drive. Open the item. Open as a Google Doc. The bibliographic information is presented. You'll also have a persistent link to return to the article. Return to your results list and continue your research in EBSCO databases and save all the articles as you need them. Saving the drive will be available as long as you're logged in to your Google account. Keep in mind that when using OneSearch, saving to Google Drive will be an option for most search results. Additional database resources are available on the library's Database A to Z page. You can view an alphabetical listing, select database type, or select EBSCO databases. Everything on the list is available to Ashland University students. You may also use a library guide developed for a subject area. Scroll and select Education. Choose one of the subjects or course guides, Research and Adult Education, and then choose the library databases. Databases suggested by the instructor and librarian are available on this sheet. If you need help, feel free to contact me via email or phone. You may also visit the library website to locate additional research help and information. Remember, visit the library website at ashland.edu/library.